Selamat siang, selamat datang di Dapur Suhanah. Hari ini saya mau masak opor ayam ala Suhanah. Dan ini bahannya ayam 1 kilo, ada telur, ada 6 telur. Dan ini bumbunya ada serai, lengkuas, jahe, daun jeruk. Dan ini bawang merah, bawang putih yang dihaluskan. Ketumbar, jinten, ini dia. Nih, makanya saya beli yang ini biar tahu nih.
Apa?
Ini ketumbar.
Oh, okay. Cumin.
Sama jinten.
Coriander.
Ya.
Apa itu coriander?
Ya,
yang mana?
Yang ini.
Ya, yang mana sini?
Ketumbar.
Oh ya, ketumbar.
Jinten. Ini jinten, ini ketumbar.
Yeah. Okay.
Ini ada kemiri.
Mm-hmm.
Ada garam. Ada penyedap, ada garam.
Mm-hmm.
Bawang merah, bawang putih.
Mm-hmm.
Sekarang saya mau potong ini. Saya taruh dihaluskan.
Mm-hmm.
Sebelum dihaluskan, saya rebus ini telur dulu.
Mm-hmm. Okay, she's gonna boil the eggs first.
Sekarang ini telur direbus. Sebelum dia matang, saya potong-potong bumbu seperti.
Okay, while she's waiting for the eggs to boil, she's gonna cut up the spices.
Potong-potong, saya taruh di blender, agar halus.
Okay, after she cuts these, she's going to put them in the blender.
Cepat, murah harganya, bahannya murah.
Okay, ingredients are inexpensive, she said.
Ini santan, Mbak.
Okay, and she's using santan, which is coconut milk.
Ya. 200 ml.
200 millis.
Dan masukkan ini blender. Bumbunya taruh di sini.
Okay, she's putting that in the blender. That's all chopped up.
Dan kemiri.
Okay, now she's taking the kemiri. She's gonna chop that up, I guess, too.
Ketumbar.
Okay, she's putting ketumbar in. Yes.
Jinten.
Yes, jinten. She still moves like she thinks the camera can keep up with her.
Garam.
Yes. Yes. And that's cepat. Yes.
Garam.
Yes, sugar, salt.
Penyedap.
And yes, the MSG, which you don't need. You can put a little sugar in place of that, as we say every week.
Dan ini potong supaya cepat jalan lembut.
Okay, so she's cutting this up because she said it cooks quicker and gets softer if it's cut up instead of than if it's whole.
Dipotong. Kasih air secukupnya.
Okay, well, how much secukupnya?
200 ml.
Okay, so you're gonna put 200 milliliters in.
Menurut banyaknya ini.
Yes.
Ya. Kalau mungkin sedikit 100 ml
Okay,
aja.
depends on how much spices you put in there. If there's not a lot of stuff in there, you'd use less, like 100, she said.
Jahenya lupa.
Oh, she forgot. I didn't know you had. Ano na bilang jahe?
Ini sudah tadi belanja pertama jahe.
You did?
Ya.
Oh, okay.
Kan saya pertama ini saya kasih tahu nih jahe.
Okay, so she's putting the ginger in.
Sekarang dihidupkan supaya jadi halus. Ini minyak sudah panas. Sekarang bawang saya taruh di wajan yang minyak panas.
Okay, so the oil is hot, and so now she's putting the shallots in here. Frying them up.
Ini sampai agak kering sedikit.
You stir fry this until it gets a little dry. Not too dry, not dry. And for you tech people or camera people, I'm trying to keep this light the same today, so I've set the ISO at 320.
Ini karena mulai ada kering ya.
Okay, so she said it's just about dry now.
Diangkat. Nanti kalau sudah sayur opornya jadi, taruh di atas opornya.
Taruh apa di atas kompor?
Ini kan opornya sudah jadi. Kalau ini sudah jadi, nah sekarang tuangin.
Oh, okay, so that was done. The shallots. Now she's putting the stuff that she blended in there.
Jangan lupa taruh serai,
Don't forget to put the
lengkuas,
yes.
daun jeruk,
Okay, I've forgotten the names for all of that stuff except for daun jeruk.
dan ayamnya.
Okay, and now the chicken goes in.
Nanti kalau sudah masak ini, baru terakhir kasih santan.
So she said after the chicken's cooked, setelah itu masak ayam,
Iya, baru kasih santan.
then she's gonna add the coconut milk.
Nah, sekarang tambahin air
Okay,
1000 ml.
she's putting in 1 liter of water in there. Berapa lama masak?
Mungkin 30 menit.
Okay, so it's gonna take about 30 minutes for the chicken to
Tutup.
cook.
Nah,
And the eggs are still boiling. And so we'll be back in 30 minutes.
sekarang saya mau
Wait, okay, we're back, and in the meantime, my wife peeled the eggs here, and she's made this over here. So she did that while we were waiting for the chicken to cook.
sekarang saya telurnya taruh di
Yes. Okay, putting the eggs in that mixture of
semur.
spices and
Semur opor.
huh?
Opor.
Opor.
Namanya ayam opor.
Okay, ayam opor.
Nah, sekarang terakhir kasih santan.
Okay, now she's putting the coconut milk in.
Nih, semua, Pak. Kalau di Amerika banyak ada santan ya?
I don't know.
Ada.
I never use coconut milk in America. She said there's lots of coconut milk in America, right? I said, I have no idea.
Di Hawaii kan? Hawaii. Sekarang diaduk jadi satu.
Okay, so mixing. Oops. Oops.
Dan spesial. Opor spesial. Tutup lagi, ntar lagi 10 menit lagi, kental lagi ya.
Okay, and she's closing it and wait another 10 minutes. Should have brought some beer down too. Go with my cigarettes.
Sekarang opornya sudah selesai, sudah masak, semuanya sudah matang.
Okay,
Ini
everything is
ada
cooked.
telur, ayam, semua udah masak. Sekarang ditaruh di tempat biasa.
Okay, so everything's cooked and it's going to be put in over here.
Matikan, ini dimatikan.
Okay, so she's turning off the.
Singkirkan ini. Nah,
Okay, let's see. I have to go from one side to the other because she won't move slowly.
ini.
Okay, so this is going into a bowl.
Kalau dipakai nasi enak, pakai ketupat juga enak.
Okay.
Opor.
So you can use this with rice.
Kalau mau dikasih telur bisa, nggak dikasih telur juga bisa.
Yes. You can use eggs. You don't have to use eggs.
1 kilo ayam,
1 kilo of chicken.
Jangan lupa di atasnya dikasih
Kasih apa?
kasih bawang.
It's still in there. And this is
Ini
what
sudah
we get.
jadi.
Okay, this is done.
Ya,
So
sudah
this
selesai.
total is about 45 minutes. Yeah.
Ya.
Okay.
Oke, sekarang saya sudah selesai buat opor ayam. Jangan lupa di like. Tunggu masakan yang lain minggu depan. Selamat. Bye. Sampai jumpa minggu depan. Nah, ini selesai opornya.
Okay.
Enak. Foto, Pak.
Yeah, and that's it.